The refugee resettlement map can identify country of origin, city of resettlement, as well as identify the agencies responsible for resettling refugees in the United States and provide the contact information for them. So if you wanted to identify how many refugees are in your city, you can use the address bar here, type it in, zoom out or in to the area you want to explore. The red dots correspond to the refugees, and if there's refugees from multiple countries, you can click the area and it'll identify the number of refugees from the different countries. The black dots correspond to the agencies responsible for resettlement, as well as providing contact information for them. In the layers bar, there is an attribute table that you can open up and access and interact with all of the data. So if we wanted to identify how many Somalian refugees have come into the United States, we can go in under options, select filter, add a filter expression, select nationality. Type in the country of origin we're interested in, and we can either select it by map extent, or we can open it up to the entire country, and we could look at how many Somalians have come in the United States, the city that they have been resettled in, and we can access the data according to these columns any way that we'd like. So if we'd like to see what city has settled the most refugees, we find that that's Minneapolis, and we can move that data around. We can also change the criteria and say we're interested in just the city maybe we're from, and we type in our city, and it'll identify how many refugees have come in our city in 2015, and we can do the same thing with the columns. We could select it by descending order and learn that the majority came from Syria, Somalia, DRC, Iraq, and then the numbers start to go down. There's quite a bit you can do with this map in terms of identifying where refugees are around you, where are they from, who are the agencies that are working with them, and how can we contact them. So hopefully this will help as you connect with refugees in your area.